The Powermatic 6-inch woodworking jointer features a helical cutter head with 40 four-sided indexable carbide knife inserts to provide a superior finish for your woodworking projects. In this example, we'll be demonstrating how to flatten the face of a board by face planing. The 90-degree stop is controlled by the stop bolt and the stop block. Set the infeed table to approximately the same height as the outfeed table. Move the fence by releasing the lock handle and pushing the fence assembly until it overlaps the tables. Tighten the lock handle. Adjust the fence to a 90-degree angle by releasing the lock handle, pulling up on the fence handle, and tightening the lock handle. The stop bolt should be resting against the stop block. Place an angle measuring device on the table and against the fence to confirm a 90-degree setting. Place your piece on the table with the concave edge down on the infeed table and position the two push blocks securely on top of the piece. Begin to walk the board all the way through the cutter head until the guard shuts, using slow movement and consistent pressure. Remove the piece, then reposition it onto the machine, repeating until the board is completely level. Turn the machine power off and the dust collector power off. Learn more about the Powermatic 6-inch jointer on our website. And don't forget that your tool comes with an industry-leading warranty. If you need any service or repair, one of our authorized Powermatic service centers can assist you. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.